So last week I was sitting in Oregon in a swathing machine. We were cutting down tall fescue and getting it ready for harvest. And the operator asked me if you had one single lawn tip that you could give to people, what would that be? And honestly, I think it would be proper mowing and not scalping the grass. This was a little bit surprising to him, I think, but this is something then that I thought I really need to make a video about this. So today, a quick tip on mowing, the importance of mowing, and not scalping your grass. So it all just comes down to this. Even if you don't care at all about having the best lawn on the block, simply mowing properly will give you a much better yard, less weeds, and it's going to look better overall through summer drought. All the different hardships that a lawn experiences, you can make it better just by properly mowing. That's in terms of height, making sure you have sharp blades, and also not scalping the grass. So when I say not scalping the grass, a lot of what I see here in my area is people who don't like to mow, and that's totally okay, but what they could do is simply raise their deck up higher so that every time they do mow, every once a week, once every 2 weeks, whatever it is, they're not going to be cutting off as much of that plant and stressing it out so much. So what scalping is essentially here what I see all the time is people let their grass get to 4 or 5 inches and then they set it pretty much as low as they can possibly set it because they don't want to mow again so soon, and then they scalp off the grass. Now over time this is going to cause nothing but issues because you're stressing the grass over and over, and it's going to cause a lot of weeds to invade, a lot of crabgrass to invade, and a lot of people don't really care about that. But what they don't know is that they could simply make their lawn look better, healthier, less weeds, without doing anything other than setting their mower higher and continuing to mow when they wanted to mow every week or even 2 weeks, but setting it much higher, and then you're not going to be cutting off as much of that plant. So especially in the summer heat, the more that you cut it down after it's already stressed, the more that it's going to stress that plant. So then you might say, well, Ryan, you're cutting your grass so short, how do you get it to stay green? And that's going to be another video for another day that I'm going to explain more about that. But in simple terms, it's really still about mowing frequency. I just can't let the grass get too tall. I have to be mowing enough so that I'm just barely taking some of that grass off when I do the mow. And there's a lot of other things that go into it, which I'll explain in that video, but it all comes down to mowing practices, and you can't continue to scalp your grass constantly and have it look good. It just isn't going to happen. So even if you have some friends or family that don't really like mowing or they don't really like lawn care, give them this tip and I can promise you that their yard is going to look a lot better, even if they didn't even care to make it look better. It will definitely help and make things look a lot better on their property with one step. Thanks so much for watching. Check out a couple other quick tip videos right here. We'll see you next time.